In this video, I am going to explain outstanding report, the feature which we added to know the number of days overdue as on the selected date. So I want to view the report as on 31st March 25 and I click refresh. The second last column indicates days OD. So as on that date, it means we are storing the information as on the given date stage. For example, if I refer few loans which we tested, for example, loan number I think from 636 or 639 till 645, these scenarios we have tested for this case. So what scenarios or what loans we have covered as part of this Days OD? So first scenario where the amount received in advance. So this is covered. System will properly calculate. In this scenario, loan is closed, but loan is closed. So if you select, like, let's say 31st April. So if you see that as on that date, but today's date, then loan is closed. But as on that date, loan was open. So we have covered that scenario. Then this is 645 and this scenario 644. So in this case, we have covered scenario of partial installment received. In this cover on exact date. So for example, this scenario tested for 30th April. So if I want to run this report, I can just simply change the date to 30th April and it will give me the exact information as on that date. I'm checking this scenario here. So the loan received, the first installment in fact received after 30th April or as on that date. So in this case also, it will take this and will consider 30th April and will show it. For example, this loan is 642 and if I go to loan 642, if I see this loan, it will show me 120 days here. Then 641, this scenario where no installment was received. This installment, first installment partially received. All right. So we have covered these many scenarios actually in as a part of Days OD. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great time.